Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best balloon arch is probably one of the most versatile and eye-catching decorations you can add to any event, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary celebrations with a stunning cascade of color and volume. Whether you're planning a birthday party, a wedding reception, a corporate event, or a simple get-together, a well-constructed balloon arch provides an instant focal point that delights guests and elevates the overall ambience, making your special occasion truly memorable and visually spectacular. Number 5. LANGXUN 7.2-foot gold metal round balloon arch kit. Introducing our large 7.2-foot gold metal balloon arch stand. It creates a grand and eye-catching backdrop, perfect for any celebration. With 8 long curved tubes, setup is quick and simple. The seamless circular design ensures a stable and beautiful arch for your decorations. It comes with 2 heavy-duty 20 lb water bags to keep it anchored outdoors. Balloon clips and chains are also included for easy decorating. Make it your own. Decorate it with balloons, flowers, or lights to create a unique backdrop for any indoor or outdoor event. This reusable arch is ideal for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, graduations, and even commercial events. It's a versatile photo background for any party. Featuring an upgraded gold lacquer craft, it boasts a brilliant, scratch-resistant shine. This ensures its premium look lasts through repeated use. What we like? This arch offers a grand 7.2-foot diameter, perfect for creating a truly eye-catching centerpiece. Its upgraded gold lacquer finish is brilliant and scratch-resistant, ensuring it looks stunning for many events. If you're looking for a durable and visually impressive option that can withstand outdoor use with its included water bags, this is an excellent choice for weddings or large parties. What people say? The gold frame is strong and elegant, and even after several uses, it hasn't chipped or bent. It's easy to put together and take apart, and I love that I can decorate it with balloons, flowers, or fabric depending on the event. This arch adds a wow factor to any celebration, and the quality truly holds up over time. Number 4. Round backdrop stand, 7.2-foot gold circle arch. This backdrop stand is designed for maximum stability. It comes with water sandbags and T-shaped bases, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor events. Setting up this circle arch stand is a breeze, requiring no tools and minimal effort. You can quickly assemble and disassemble it, saving you time and hassle. Crafted from premium, rust-resistant iron, this stand is built to last and looks beautiful. It can support heavy decorations, adding a touch of luxury to any setting. Don't worry about the wind. Its stable design ensures it stays put even when used outdoors for your special occasions. This versatile backdrop is ideal for weddings, birthday parties, baby showers, and more. It transforms any venue into a stunning, photo-ready space. Take your event decor to the next level with this portable and easy-to-assemble wedding arch frame. It's designed for convenience and quick setup. What we like? Built with premium, rust-resistant iron, this arch is designed for both elegance and longevity. It comes with its own water sandbags and T-shaped bases for superior stability, even outdoors. If you prioritize a sturdy, elegant, and hassle-free setup for any celebration, this arch is ideal for creating a luxurious photo-ready space. What people say? The 7.2 is huge and perfect for pictures. It's big enough for more than 2 to 4 people to stand in front of and still have enough background for the pictures. The bars simply just click together. The height and size are nice to use as a backdrop. It can be used over and over again for all occasions. The simple gold would match with everything. This is strong, durable, well made and fits together perfectly. Less than 5 minutes to set up. It's very large, 7.12 feet, great for parties, weddings, backdrops. Number 3. LANGXUN 9.5-foot metal circle balloon arch stand. Make any occasion unforgettable with this stunning metal arch. It's the perfect prop to add a touch of luxury and create a romantic atmosphere for your parties. Setting up this arch is a breeze, taking only minutes to assemble. It comes with helpful accessories to ensure you can build a beautiful decorative arch with ease. This arch isn't just for balloons. Get creative and use flowers, greenery, or other elements to design a unique backdrop. It's suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and anniversaries, this gold circle arch is the ideal decoration for all your special events. Crafted from durable iron in a beautiful gold finish, this 9.5 by 8 foot arch provides a sturdy and elegant foundation for your decorations. This is your ultimate solution for creating memorable party backdrops. It's designed to meet all your decorative needs and impress your guests. What we like? This is the largest option at a massive 9.5 feet, perfect for those who want to make a truly dramatic statement. It's designed for easy assembly with helpful instructions and accessories. If you need a substantial backdrop for a major event and want to ensure a unique, patent-protected design, this larger arch is the one to consider. What people say. It was easy to assemble. Very durable. Easy to put together, sturdy, and reliable. Extremely easy to assemble comes with balloon arch, along with balloon decorating strip and instructions on how to use. Glue dots along with instructions and balloon ring clips along with instructions. Number 2. Chamvis Metal Round Balloon Arch Kit. Elevate your celebrations with our stunning round arch kit. It's the perfect centerpiece for any special occasion, making your party decorations effortless and beautiful. Crafted with a high-quality, upgraded double buckle connection and a stable tilted base, this arch stand ensures exceptional stability. Its smooth, frosted metal surface adds a touch of elegance to your event. From weddings and birthdays to baby showers and holiday parties, this versatile backdrop stand is your go-to decoration. Personalize it with flowers, lights, or fabrics to match your theme. Setting up this round arch is a breeze, taking only a few minutes. It's also designed for easy storage and transport, so you can use it for multiple events. We are dedicated to providing you with the best experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions, please reach out to us first for a prompt and satisfactory solution. What we like? Featuring an upgraded double buckle connection and a stable tilted base, this arch offers enhanced stability against wind or bumps. Its smooth frosted metal surface adds a sophisticated shine to your event decor. If you're seeking a reliable and stylish arch that's easy to assemble and provides extra security against movement, this is a great pick for parties and photo backgrounds. What people say. It was really sturdy, and once I got over my fear of breaking it, the poles connected smoothly. It balances well on carpet. It is easy to put together and take apart. Easy to assemble and deconstruct. We used it for 6.5-foot sports backdrop, and it worked perfect. Very lightweight and easy to move around once fully assembled. Number 1. IDAODAN 6.9-foot round backdrop stand. Elevate your celebrations with this versatile round backdrop stand. It's the perfect base for creating personalized decorations with balloons, flowers, and more. Setting up your party decor has never been easier. Thanks to its innovative double buckle design, you can assemble this sturdy frame in just 3 minutes. Crafted from high-quality iron, this arch is built to last. Its corrosion-resistant material and stable tilted base ensure it remains steady indoors and outdoors. From weddings and birthdays to graduations and holidays, this arch is suitable for any event. Let your creativity shine by adding balloons, greenery, or lights. We are committed to providing you with excellent service. If you encounter any issues, please contact us for a satisfactory solution. What we like? This arch boasts a quick 3-minute assembly thanks to its double buckle design, making setup incredibly efficient. Constructed from durable, corrosion-resistant iron, it's built to last and can be used both indoors and outdoors. If you value speed, stability, and a reusable, high-quality arch for a variety of celebrations, this option is a fantastic and practical choice. What people say. It comes in a small package, so it seems that it only creates a small arch. It is definitely not small. Easy assembly and teardown, though you will need to put some force when connecting the last 2 pieces. It's huge, really well made and sturdy. Looked fantastic at my daughter's hen party, decorated it with balloons and greenery. Brilliant photo prop and decoration. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.